and punitive action, which is centered on individual offenders. Because as security agencies, we are saying we do not want to punish people in blanket fashion. You commit an offense, we take you on as an individual. So we are saying follow agreed upon protocols, arrangements, organization. If you are going to have any activity, involve stakeholders, especially security, so that we have a stake in the planning processes. The other key issue, which I would like to reiterate, is the issue of processions. We've had a serious briefing with our commanders because we continuously see the violation of this requirement. Candidates have spaces or grounds where they hold rallies. People move to those grounds. But what we do not want to see, and what we prohibit, and also what we would advise that it should not be done at all, is for a candidate to generate a procession. Instead of holding a rally, you find a candidate particularly generating a procession, actually doing the actual campaigning through a procession. So the commanders have been tasked to make sure that this is addressed, because we see it as a growing trend in a number of candidates. So this one, take note. If you see our officers coming in and preventing you, you know why they are doing it and why they are doing it. So that one is one of the issues we would like to put forward. We also would love to guide. There is another observation we've made, the use of ambulances as lead cars. This is strictly prohibited. Everybody knows what an ambulance is supposed to do. So if you get an ambulance whose essential activity is supposed to be to ferry patients or to give emergency response services, and then you use it as a lead car, now that will not be tolerated, and we warn those drivers, you, the driver of an ambulance, will be held accountable. We also condemn all forms of violence, which we have observed, and a number of unpalatable conduct which violates election laws and guidelines. One of the most common acts is the defacement of election posters. We condemn it as security. We also call upon our officers on ground to take firm action against culprits or suspects in that effect. We also observe a sustained increase in cybercrime being committed, particularly in connection with campaigns or the election process. Those responsible should know that the law is clear and there are severe punishments. If you are tracked and arrested, you will be taken on. You will not just use electronic space with impunity, and you think that you will go free. You may survive a day or two, but at one point, you will be held to account. And that is a strong message I would like to share with everybody who is out there who thinks he cannot be reached. We have the capabilities, and we shall utilize them accordingly. There are also cases of criminals disguising in party T-shirts and paraphernalia, where they put on party colors and then form those egali. Our commanders have been tasked also to seriously address those challenges. When candidates hold campaigns, these goons go ahead and rob people. We have seen incidents where they have even gone and attacked mobile money outlets. So our commanders are dealing with those kind of fellows. So take note, we shall deal with you very decisively. Traffic regulations, Kananura is around. He will elaborate more about it. But on a whole, we want to say that the laws governing traffic and the laws generally of the country, none of them is in abeyance. There is no law which has been frozen because people are vying for political power. The laws of the country are still active. If you choose to break them, you break them at your own peril. You will be taken on. Otherwise, we call upon all political actors to work closely with us, because there is a lot of input you require from security. There are aspects of safety where you find you need traffic police, you need fire brigade. There are aspects of security, because security threats naturally arise as a result of crowds gathering. Like I have mentioned much earlier, there will be that one or two people who want to cause mayhem because of the large crowds, to snatch a bag, to snatch a phone. So you need security. There will be need to regulate the movement and flow of traffic. So you need security, you need security agencies. The places where you are holding these lorries from, you need protection, you need guidance from other stakeholders. So we call upon you to ensure that you collaborate with security. And yeah, so that is the issues I have raised in respect to elections. But I re-echo the issue of collaboration with security agencies so that we have a smooth run of these activities. The other issue I would like to talk about is last night